OnePlus Nord 6 vs Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus. When it comes to camera capabilities, the OnePlus Nord 6 takes the lead with its impressive 50MP main camera paired with an 8MP ultra-wide lens, delivering stunning photos even in challenging conditions thanks to its flagship-grade HDR algorithms and dual-axis OIS. In contrast, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus also boasts a 50MP main camera but adds a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, giving you versatility for capturing distant subjects. Both phones excel in video recording, but the Nord SIX's advanced AI features for photo enhancement really set it apart in everyday use. For selfies, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus shines with a remarkable 50MP front camera, ensuring that your self-portraits are sharp and vibrant. Meanwhile, the OnePlus Nord 6 offers a solid 32MP selfie camera that still delivers great results, but lacks the raw megapixel power of its competitor. The Edge 70 Fusion Plus clearly takes the crown in this category, perfect for those who love to capture every detail in their self-portraits. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord 6 is powered by the Qualcomm SM8735 Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which offers blazing fast performance and graphics with its Adreno 825 GPU. On the other hand, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, which is still powerful but doesn't quite match the raw performance of its rival. The Nord SIX's superior AnTuTu score of 2,266,546 versus the Edge 70 Fusion Plus's 1,015,000 highlights this performance gap, making it the go-to choice for power users. When it comes to displays, the OnePlus Nord 6 features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a jaw-dropping 165Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus, while slightly larger at 6.8 inches, offers a 144Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 5,200 nits, making it exceptional for outdoor visibility. Both displays are vibrant and colorful, but the Nord SIX's higher refresh rate gives it an edge for gamers and content consumers alike. In terms of unique features, the OnePlus Nord 6 stands out with its AI portrait glow and intelligent photo enhancements, making every shot look professional with minimal effort. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus, however, offers IP68/IP69 dust and water resistance, along with MIL STD810H military durability, making it a rugged choice for adventurous users. Each phone has its strengths, but your choice will depend on whether you prioritize photography or durability. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The OnePlus Nord 6 packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery, ensuring that you can go days without needing a charge, while the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus offers a respectable 5,200 mAh. For heavy users or those who are always on the go, the Nord SIX's battery capacity makes it the clear winner in this category, providing peace of mind with extended usage.